Hey y'all, so I'm back.
Can we just
I'm sorry for the hiatus. I know it's been quite some time. I want to say 3, 2, I don't know, a couple of months. But I'm back and I'm happy to be back. It feels good. I feel like I'm back at home because I've just been missing basically because I've been working. I'm back into the flow of things for work. It's been hectic, and honestly, personally, I kind of really miss doing this full time. So without further ado, let's get into this review / demo. Alright, so my hair looks completely crazy. I am still in my gym clothes, and it is it's the middle of the day. I feel pretty nasty about saying that, but that's just why my hair looks crazy right now. And to be totally honest with you, my hair has been in a funk lately. Oh my god, I need a trim, I need to deep condition. I've just been so busy working on everybody else's hair that I have not had a chance to really treat my own. Does that make any sense? I'm a hairstylist and I can't even do my own damn hair, okay? So let's look. So I was walking around Target, which is my second home, and I was looking around at all the new products. I saw Taraji P. Henson, and I was like, interesting. And then I saw the prices, and I was like, I saw some products right next to it, and it just drew my eye directly to it. I'm a sucker for good branding. I saw the nostalgic colors of the branding and I was like, ooh, I have to get this. Like, I at least have to give it a look. And so I looked at it and the prices were pretty impressive. They were like all $6.99, and then not only the prices were great, the sizes were great, which is like so rare in the natural hair community. Look at these products, y'all. I have a full bag. I have the It's Not Happening sulfate free shampoo, which is 16 fluid ounces, by the way. You cannot pass this up, okay? It's a steal for $6.99. You can't beat that. I got the Smooth Mover conditioner, the My Main BFF leave-in conditioner. I also have the Back to Life hair mask. I also purchased the Style Goes gel, and lastly I got the My Everything buttercream. So my hair needs some TLC, and we're gonna see if this product line can bring it back to life. I see flakes from other products. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is cleanse with the It's Not Happening sulfate free shampoo, and it's for curly coily textures. It says cleansing and detangling infused with almond milk for moisture rich frizz free curl definition. It says the only thing that you want defined about you is your curls. This shampoo smells very familiar and kind of nostalgic in a way. It's very floral and very fresh. It smells like jasmine in a way. It smells really good. I like the smell. All right, so I want to give my explanation real quick because I don't want to do a voiceover and like it end up not being as organic as I want it to be. So the Emerge It's Not Happening sulfate free shampoo is really a decent shampoo. I did not expect it to be really good because I'm not too fond of shampoos in the first place. But I shampooed with it a second time off camera for my second shampoo, and it really is a great shampoo. It's really cleansing, but it's not drying. Like, I can feel the excess debris and product come off of my hair, and it really got the buildup off, but my hair does not feel dry at all. It actually feels really nice and moisturized in a way, and it really does deliver in the slip department. And you know, well, if you've been watching my channel, you know that my products have to have slip in it, especially my shampoos, because it's the first thing that I apply to my hair. For the price, you can't beat it, and for 16 fluid ounces, the size, it's unbeatable. So definitely a thumbs up. Now moving on to the Emerge Back to Life hair mask for curly coily textures, deep condition and revive, infused with almond milk for moisture rich frizz free curl definition, formulated without sulfates, parabens, phthalates, silicones. This weekly treatment conditions and defrizzes even the most moisture needy hair. Apply generously with damp hair from roots to ends. Leave up to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water and use weekly. For a more intensive treatment, apply moderate heat. Now the ingredients in here, it does have glycerin, so if you're not a fan of glycerin, this product may not be for you. It does have sweet almond oil, sweet almond extract, pequi, fruit oil, coconut acid, fragrance. It seems to have a pretty good ingredient list. It smells just like the shampoo. Floral, very floral, fresh scent. It works, y'all. It really does. Don't let anybody tell you any different. This is called recycling, okay? So I'm gonna sit under the dryer for 15 minutes to deep condition, and then I'll be back to show y'all how it feels, to see if it's more penetrated into the hair, because I feel like, you know, it had a hard time penetrating into the hair. I had to kind of work it in there. So I'll be back whenever I'm done sitting under the dryer. Ooh. Okay, so my hair feels a lot better. It's been 15 minutes underneath the dryer, and my hair feels a lot better. It feels like it took really well and penetrated into my hair really well. Can't wait to see how my hair feels after I rinse it. So I'm gonna go rinse it and then I'll be back, y'all. Okay, so my hair feels really nice, pretty moisturized. Felt really nice rinsing it out. So now I'm gonna go in with the Emerge, my main BFF leave-in conditioner, which is for nourishing and smoothing. It claims to have lots of slip and moisture and provides a frizz-free curl definition. One thing I noticed about this product line is that it's very consistent with its ingredients. So it has pretty much the same thing in every product, and they all smell the same. Now, I'm really funny about that. I don't know why I'm funny about that. I'm like, why can't I have a few different ingredients here, a few different ingredients there? Because I feel like I keep using the same product. Or y'all just like changing up the formula a little bit, like the consistency, and calling it a deep conditioner and calling it a leave-in. That's just how I am. I'm weird about that. But anyway, so next is the My Everything Buttercream for curl definition and softness, infused with pequi, that P word, for moisture rich frizz-free curl definition. So glycerin is higher up on the ingredient list in this product. They also have coconut oil high up on the ingredient list, shea butter, the pequi fruit oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil as well, just the scientific name, soybean oil, that corn oil again. So there are different ingredients in the buttercream, so I cannot say that it's the same product. So there's more butters and more oils in it, and like I said, glycerin is higher up on the ingredient list. But it's very lotiony to say that it has butters and oils in it, which is probably a good thing because it's more of a flexible hold. So I'm gonna apply not so much because, like I said, that leave-in was already very moisturizing, and I don't want this style to come out greasy. I just cannot stand greasy heavy styles, because although my hair is low porosity, it does fall on the finer side of the spectrum. You can see that curl definition that it provides. Really nice and very moisturizing. So I'm just gonna twist and let y'all watch it. So my hair's all twisted up, and I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 twists in my hair. So they're really big. I don't expect a lot of definition out of them. My hair felt really good while I was twisting it, so I did like how it applied on my hair. It felt really nice, and I didn't have to use too much. I used a moderate amount, but not too much, because like I said, that leave-in was already creamy, and I don't like too heavy of a style. The buttercream definitely has that pasty feel after rubbing it between my fingers, so it's gonna provide a lot more hold. Smells really good, looks really good. So I will be back whenever it's 100% dry, which will probably be tomorrow, because I'm not sitting under the dryer. I'm not doing it tonight. Gotta go cook and tend to my kids. So I'll be back, y'all. It is the next day, and I've been wearing my hair in twists, but I pulled it back in a ponytail to wash my hair. And I even slept in it like this, so there's a dent. However, it's still not gonna change the way my hair feels. So we're gonna see how this product works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of oil in my hands to separate my twist. And these twists were jumbo, by the way, so they're not gonna have as much definition as smaller twists. I'm not looking for definition. I'm more so looking for how my hair feels. So let me untwist these babies. So I have to say that as I'm like feeling my hair, as I untwist it, it does have that pasty feel like shea butter has. It just has that like really kind of stiff residue between my fingers, and I can also feel it on my hair as well. My hair is low porosity and doesn't really care for butters in the first place. I don't know, it doesn't feel horrible, but it doesn't feel like I'd love for it to feel. So let's just keep going and we'll see. Alright, so I'm done taking out my twist, and I don't want to sound picky, but I don't love my results at all. Like, I just don't. My hair just feels coated and it feels a little stiff. I really don't like it to feel this way. I like my hair to feel really soft and moisturized, and I like a little bit of hold to it, but not that waxy coated feel. And this is what the buttercream is making my hair feel like. I do not like that feeling at all. So I would have to give this product a thumbs down for this video. I do need a trim, but I cannot base it strictly on that. But all of the other products are pretty great, and to be honest with you, you cannot really complain about the products whenever it's in its price range. $6.99 is just affordable for pretty much anybody. So I really do like that they considered the price point. The branding's beautiful. I love it. Exclusively at Target. That is my second home, so I cannot hate on that. Also, the fact that the packaging is huge. I love that, because all naturals really deserve a lot more product. However, so I would definitely be using this shampoo again. The conditioners, it's pretty good once it gets worked into the hair. The leave-in's great. The buttercream on me, not so much. But I do feel like, you know, other factors play a role in the results of my twist out. Yeah, so I will be trying it again. I don't think I'm gonna review it again. I'm probably going to just update you guys on my Instagram stories and let it be known there. So definitely go follow me to keep up with this review at YoursNaturally11 on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment, rate, subscribe, and also click that bell so that you can get a notification every single time that I upload a new video. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.